I hope everyone's doing well and hanging in there. Right now, we're actually in San Diego. We did a last minute trip over here. One of Jason's online friends is having a car meet over here, so we decided to come over and we're kind of making a little trip out of it just to kind of get away from LA. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna eat some good food, hopefully go to the beach, see the sights a little bit, and just hang out. Yes! He's cleaning his car right now.
Hey guys. So yeah, like she said, we came out to San Diego last minute. Wanted to see one of my online friends, Josh, and he's going back to the East Coast for a while. He personally invited me to come out here and I was like, fuck yeah, I'm down. Like, why not? I've always wanted to meet you. He's always wanted to meet me. So, you know, right now doing a little detail spray because driving all the way from LA to San Diego was a bit of a drive. So far, she kept really clean because I washed her yesterday. And we're gonna go eat at some nice restaurants later. We have a hotel. We're gonna go to some bars. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna wear our masks and everything, but let's see. Hopefully this car meet has a few cars so I can at least film. If not, then I'll just film like a little bit for you guys. Wanted to give you a little lifestyle vlog. I haven't done one of these in a while. Huge shout out to my girlfriend for wanting to come. All right guys, so the meet has been going on for like maybe an hour and look at how sick this car is. Yo, this is mom goals right here. This is fucking awesome. Holy shit. So I thought for this meet, I would just do like no cinematics. Just kind of show you guys the cars that I like and what I think about them because every car here is super sick. Got Lexus boys. This is clean. Stick shift turbo. This would be like the perfect daily for me. I would love this. This is sick. Karuma boys. Where you at, George? What do you think of the cars here so far?
Oh yeah, they're all really nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
And it's so crazy because a cop came and we didn't get kicked out. The meet is for Josh. He's supposed to be leaving. But you're not leaving.
I'm not.
What up, man?
Dave, you screwed me over. Nothing new.
Hey, but give us a little walk around of this car.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. When I got the car, I had like just a bunch of like rep parts, like the bumper, hood, flares. Taking all that off, going OEM, sleeper style, still pushing 435, maybe even 500 by the end of the year.
435 wheel?
Yeah, 435 wheel. But we got an OEM bumper right now. I'm gonna go OEM hood, probably do some interior goodies later.
I also noticed you took off the little flares, right? You don't like that look?
No, I don't. If I do, I'll probably go like actual wide body.
Yeah.
Only thing that's real is the supercharger and the wheels, the TEs. That's actually my favorite part.
Favorite wheel?
Yeah, those are my all-time favorite wheels. Like this is like my dream TEs S2000 supercharged. Dude. Hands down. Honestly,
I want one so bad, but they're still so expensive. Like
they are.
So nice. I can totally see you in this car. Dude, blue on blue on blue. Damn. This is freaking beautiful. You know he freaking puts in work. Look at this. It's like a show car that he actually drifts. Damn. So nice. Fitment goals. Whew. Damn, Josh. Where you at? But that body kit is so clean. This thing is gorgeous. Guys, comment down below if you think I should get an IS300 as a project car because I already know what body kit I want. I spent like 4 nights straight looking at every single part and I know what I want to do. But it's hard to find one in stick shift for a good price. Raymond, you want to be in the vlog?
Ooh. Will I be famous? Famous as you?
You might get DMs from a bunch of guys. I haven't seen you in forever.
What's up, guys?
How's SD treating you?
SD, the women are prime. The seafood is more prime. The car scene is triple prime.
Bro, you left the valley just for that? We got some bomb-ass Asian food over in LA too. Alright guys, so the meet was awesome. Thank you so much, Josh, for having us come out. Dude, San Diego is pretty dope so far. Where are we at? Pacific Beach. We're gonna go grab some food, maybe hit a bar, sit outdoors, just hang out. So, take you guys along. Alright guys, we got into a bar. It's called Mavericks. Pretty nice, good view. We got a DJ up in here, little cheers. How are you liking San Diego so far? Nice. I can't wait to check into our hotel. I just want to like put our bags away and kick it for a bit before we go out on more adventures. But first spot, Mavericks, random bar, we just had to try it.
Oh, the little
That's what I'm talking about. I'm on vacation and this is the shit that I want to see. Like, I'm so glad that San Diego has people protesting too. Like, all right guys, I know I'm a little all over the place, but we just made it to our hotel. In the heart of downtown. We're in Gaslamp. Look at this primo parking spot I got. In the corner, away from everybody else. Hotel's over there. I think my car will be safe here for the next 2 nights. So let's go ahead and get all of our stuff. So we got out of the hotel a little bit late, but we made it to a restaurant that's not closed yet. We got some nice sake action with the ice cubes. So we got some of this.
Carpaccio.
Carpaccio, nice.
Yeah, it's like sashimi.
What's going on here? What is this? This looks amazing.
This is the waxing gibbous.
We're like really big sushi connoisseurs, so let's see what this is all about. Compliments to the chef, that was beautiful. Who honestly doesn't like a good lobster? Oh my god, let's get it. We didn't really want to film because a lot of copyright music in there and it was really loud, but check this out. I've always wanted to go here. So crazy finally seeing this store in person. This is fucking awesome. Oh my god. So we're gonna try to find a bar. Me and her, we're kind of into bars where there's good music. There's actually like some type of dance floor where you can like dance because we want to get our groove on. I don't have my mask on right now just because I'm vlogging for you guys, but as soon as I put the camera down, I always put my mask on. Gotta stay safe. It's currently the next day. We had a bit of fun last night. Woke up a little late, but we're getting the day started. Probably gonna go get some lobster in Old Town, San Diego. Guys, look, we have another Lexus owner. Got my car over there. This one's nice though. Nice colored wheels. Got the smoked tails. Nobody wants to park next to me. So we made it to our restaurant. You know I gotta hit them with the air out real quick.
Rockin' Baja Lobster.
I don't know what this is, guys, but cheers. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, yeah. Shrimp and lobster. So excited. I've been wanting actual seafood for a while. Wow. That was good. Oh guys, that was so good. Sorry my compressors are a little loud. That's the life of having bags. The food here is like honestly so good. It's so diverse, there's like so much you could pick from. We just happen to pick seafood because we haven't had it in a long time. Like sushi and lobster. Right now we're gonna take you guys along to the beach. I think we're going to Coronado because it's very pretty. Yeah, it's kind of hard trying to fit everything into like 2 full days of being here. We're just doing what's a little more convenient, get a little bit of everything. We will see you guys at the beach. Alright guys, we are in Coronado. You know we gotta hit you with that air out. We're airing out all over San Diego right now. Fire. You know me, I love airing out. I've been using the bags a lot, like airing up to get through dips and everything and then airing out again and all that stuff. Very, very fun. If you guys ever get bags, you'll love it. You'll milk the hell out of it. You ready? Yeah. So we're at Coronado Hotel. Probably one of the nicest hotels I've ever seen. Damn, this is so cool. It's like straight out of a video game. I don't know if any of you guys ever played Time Crisis. It's like that gun game in the arcade.
Action!
So nice. And it's right by the water. I know you guys can see the water. It's literally right there. It's super blue. This is cool. A lot of walking, a lot of good exercise. Little adventures, remember. All you car guys with girlfriends, take them out, walk, enjoy the view. So guys, due to COVID, what happened?
I don't know, it said that they were closed. The first time in 132 years they had to close like all operations.
Yeah, because I guess you can go in there and actually just hang out even if you're not staying at the hotel.
Like,
but
they have stuff to do in there. Like there's little like ice cream stores.
Yeah.
Like they have little things.
Okay, well, that kind of sucks. So I know this vlog isn't really going to be car related. We're going to do some car stuff tomorrow.
Strawberries.
Oh, nice. Before I was rudely interrupted, some cute ass strawberries. We're gonna go do some car stuff tomorrow, maybe shoot with my buddy Chris. You guys remember Chris from the vlogs. Amazing photographer. He got a new car, stick shift, maybe he'll let me drive it, so we'll see. How nice it is. This is nothing like the beaches over in LA. This is way nicer. Guys, tell me this isn't beautiful.
People talking about California beaches like
They're talking
this.
They're talking about SD. How sick would it be if I got my car onto this deck and shot a photo right here with this background? Oh my god, that would be perfect. freaking pretty dope vacation. It's just nice to get away from the fast-paced Valley LA life. One of my buddies told me out here in San Diego, everyone's moving at their own pace. No one's trying to outdo another person. But over in LA, I feel like it's a contest. Like, who has the most followers, who's rich, who's this. Like, over here, everyone's just living life and being happy. The best way that I can describe Coronado, it looks a little like Beverly Hills if you've ever been there. What is that?
I got the strawberry cheesecake and I got pistachio.
And I got mango and watermelon because I wanted something fruity. You're really gonna come to San Diego and not get some ice cream in this beach town? It's good, it tastes just like a watermelon. Let's try the mango. Oh yeah, it tastes just like a sweet mango. Oh my god. It's really good.
Has a lot of cheesecake. Now the pistachio, which I love pistachio. Oh yeah, really pistachio.
Alright guys, we went back to the hotel, got ready. Now we're at like this pier. Definitely getting some Santa Monica pier vibes from here, right? So this is cool. This one hits a little closer to home, I think. So we're gonna try out Cannonball. Super nice. Out of every single night, this has been the best restaurant we've eaten at. Holy shit, if you're ever in San Diego, come to the Cannonball. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. We're gonna go hang out on the beach and I'll pick this video back up tomorrow when we go shoot with Chris in Irvine. So I will see you guys in a little bit. What is up guys? We made it to Irvine and now I'm just waiting for Chris. He should be here any second. Actually, I see his car over there. But look at this. This is my dream Porsche. This is like a 50-year-old car and it's in better condition than mine. This is literally my dream car. Well, my dream Porsche. I know I say I always want a newer one, but this one is my favorite just because of maximum tune. And it's the turbo. Oh, there he is. Woo! Slammed. Holy shit, your car is low. What's up?
Oh!
Damn, how you been?
Bored as hell.
So are you gonna get rid of this car?
It's just gonna go back to stock and then my mom's gonna have it.
Oh, awesome. I finally get to see these in person. Look at how beautiful these are. Chris, you want to tell the people what you got even though you didn't bring it?
Oh, I just got a E36 M3.
How do you like the Beamer?
It's more of a driver's car. It's got the 5-speed manual.
Super happy for you. That's a really beautiful car. I kind of don't want you to put it back to stock.
If I have my way, I want this as a daily and then M3 is a track car. But
oh yeah.
I don't got the funds, so.
Alright guys, we finally made it back home. Thank you so much for watching. The trip was a lot of fun. Thank you Chris for coming out and thank you Josh and everyone that came to the meet who was super nice to me and my girlfriend. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I want to move there.
Okay, so then we'll go back for a vacation again or possibly move there someday.
Yeah.
And guys, don't forget, if you haven't picked up your Sakura mask, it is available on the website. Link will be in the description below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
Oh!
Later.